Welcome to this video on IoT challenges. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects billions of devices worldwide. But this massive connectivity comes with major obstacles. In this series, we'll explore 3 critical challenges that developers and organizations face when building IoT systems: security, scalability, and interoperability. Understanding these challenges is essential for anyone working with connected devices. Let's dive in. Every IoT system must address 3 fundamental challenges. First is security, which involves protecting devices and data from cyber threats. Second is scalability, which means managing millions of connected devices without system failures. Third is interoperability, which ensures that different devices from different manufacturers can communicate seamlessly with each other. These 3 pillars determine whether an IoT implementation will succeed or fail in the real world. Let's start with security. IoT security has 3 major problems. First, many IoT devices are manufactured with minimal built-in security features and lack encryption capabilities. Second, the massive number of connected devices creates a huge attack surface for hackers to target. When you have billions of devices, attackers have billions of potential entry points. Third, legacy IoT devices that were deployed years ago cannot receive security updates or patches, making them permanently vulnerable to new threats. To address security challenges, organizations implement 3 key solutions. End-to-end encryption protects data both while it travels over networks and while it sits in storage. Regular updates and security patches ensure that devices receive fixes for newly discovered vulnerabilities. Device health monitoring continuously watches for unusual activity or suspicious behavior that might indicate a cyber attack. Together, these approaches create multiple layers of protection. Now let's discuss scalability. As IoT grows, scalability becomes increasingly difficult. First, new IoT devices are added at an exponential rate, with billions arriving each year. Infrastructure simply cannot keep pace with this growth. Second, all these devices generate massive amounts of data that flows through networks. This creates bandwidth constraints and network congestion, leading to slow response times and latency issues. Third, storing all this data requires enormous cloud infrastructure and resources to manage petabytes of information effectively. Solving scalability requires 3 important approaches. Cloud and edge computing distribute data, processing away from central servers. Instead of sending everything to a main data center, processing happens closer to the devices themselves, reducing load. Load balancing spreads network traffic across multiple servers and different data centers so no single system becomes overwhelmed. Data analytics processes information at the edge level, filtering and reducing data before sending it to cloud storage. This significantly decreases storage and bandwidth requirements. The third major challenge is interoperability. This addresses how devices communicate across different platforms. First, there are fragmented standards in the industry. Different manufacturers use proprietary systems and protocols unique to their products. Second, the variety of wireless protocols creates protocol mismatch problems. Wi-Fi, Zigbee, Bluetooth, and LoRaWAN all use different communication methods and cannot naturally talk to each other. Third, integrating legacy systems is difficult because older devices lack the capability to connect with modern IoT platforms and cloud services. Interoperability challenges are solved through 3 main strategies. Adopting universal standards like Matter and MQTT allows devices from different manufacturers to communicate using common languages and protocols. API gateways act as translators between different systems, converting communications from one protocol to another so incompatible devices can work together. Industry collaboration occurs when manufacturers work together to develop compatible IoT ecosystems instead of competing with proprietary solutions. Open standards benefit everyone. It's important to understand that these 3 challenges are deeply interconnected and related to each other. Security vulnerabilities actually become worse as your system scales to handle more devices. Similarly, interoperability problems can create security risks because different devices might not implement security consistently. And scalability demands require even stronger security protocols to protect larger networks. This means solving one challenge effectively requires simultaneously addressing the others. They cannot be tackled in isolation. Let's summarize the key takeaways. First, prioritize security by implementing encryption, regular updates, and continuous monitoring of your devices. Second, scale smartly by using cloud and edge computing technologies to handle growth efficiently. Third, connect openly by adopting universal standards and collaborative approaches for device communication. Successfully addressing these three challenges is absolutely critical for the future of IoT technology and its practical applications in our world. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.